the 3 o'clock news. World population is expected to increase from 7 billion to approximately 10 billion people by 2050. They will consume on average 50% more meat, which means that we'll need more land to produce this amount of meat than we have available. An increasing number of people are becoming aware of the positive impact of a plant-based diet. This has a direct cause.
It's delicious.
First plant-based steak in the world, coming soon to supermarkets in Europe. Better for animals, planet, and health. Check out our why at Vivera.com.